Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Vinted balance. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some suggestions, some articles. And from here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner. And then we have to tap on balance. Here we have to tap on activate balance, and then we just have to add our personal information, our name and date of birth, and then the billing address. And after we have saved these, we are going to just tap on activate balance again at the bottom, and our Vinted account is going to be able to store the transactions that we make in this app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.